eyes are still watering, you guys. Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Just finishing up my makeup here, and y'all, I'm about to put on my favorite nude lippie, okay? So I wanted to share that with you guys because I know I have a lot of questions about like the nude lip color I wear, and everyone's always asking what lip liner, what lip color, what gloss, like all that fun stuff. So I figured I would share that with you guys today. What I like to do is I take our lip conditioner. This is the lip conditioner from Farmasi, okay? I know it looks like a glorified lipstick, right? And that's kind of what I thought originally. I held off getting this for the longest time because I was like, it's a glorified chapstick. I have chapstick. No, y'all. You don't understand. This stuff is legit amazing. I could rant on and on about it, but it just, I don't know, once it like soaks into your lips, it doesn't leave them feeling like dry and crusty, or I feel like I've used other things before like Carmex or Burt's Bees, and I feel like I just have to keep reapplying. And whereas I like to reapply this because then I feel like I can move my lips, but at the same time, like I don't feel like I have to reapply because my lips are dry. So it really helps like soak in and moisturize them. And I like to put this on and let it soak in a little bit, and then I kind of like wipe off any excess before I put my my lip liner and all that on, because then it all just applies that much more flawlessly, and then you don't have to like, you don't gotta push really hard, anything like that. So okay, let's dive in and I'll show you what I like to use for my favorite nude lippie. So like I said, I like to kind of dab off the extra lip conditioner after I let it soak in for a little bit. So I'm not really wiping it off, I'm just dabbing at it, okay? And I'm making sure I'm wiping off any excess like makeup or anything that was on my lips, because when I apply my makeup, I get crazy and it goes everywhere. So my favorite lip liner for the nude colored lip, I know it's a darker lip liner, but it complements it so well because I like to ombre my lips so that the lighter, the middle of my lips is lighter, and that way it gives a fuller appearance to my lips, because y'all, I got some small lips, okay? I got a little bird lip up here. Just ask my sisters, they like to make fun of me for it. But this lip liner is like the best. Like if you're looking for a really like chocolatey, darker lip liner, this is it, y'all. So this is number 227, okay? This is just, it's just a pencil lip liner, regular pencil, you sharpen it. I like to get it nice and pointy before I start like applying, because then you get a sharper, crisper line, okay? Along with it, I will use the matte liquid lipstick in the color Skin. And this is number 201. The matte liquid lipsticks, you guys, are like my ultimate fave, okay? Like price point wise, like I've spent some money on like the lip stains and stuff that lasts all day. I actually used to use the Kat Von D. It was like the everlasting liquid lipstick or something like that. And that's what I wore on my wedding day because I needed something that was really gonna stay, right? So it was like, I think it was like $27 a tube. And like, I mean, yeah, it lasts a while, but that was a lot for a lip color for me. So when I seen these babies right here, the matte liquid lipsticks are $11.90, and then with my discount, y'all, they're, you know, you do the math. They're less than they're like right around $5, okay? That's a little bit of a better price point for me. And then as well as like the pencil lip liners here. See, I think they're $6.90. I don't know, but y'all, my website is down below in the description, so just go check out the prices. I dare you to go look at the prices, because I was mind blown when I first went to the website. I was like, oh my God. I thought those were already half off prices, and they're like, no, half off that after you sign up. Okay, don't judge. I'm gonna get up close here so you guys can see, but my eyes are watering. Okay, so my eyeshadow is probably coming off. So I'm just gonna be holding my mirror here, so hopefully I'm not gonna like block you guys from seeing this. Okay, like I said, lip liner 227, okay? That's what I'm gonna use to line my lips for my favorite nude colored lip. Oh, and the makeup is like covers really, really well. So if you guys can see very faintly, I have a little beauty mark right there. And I'm a big fan of my beauty mark. Like I didn't used to like it. I used to think it was weird, and now like I like it because I don't know, it's kind of different, kind of unique, right? Not everyone has one, so I will make sure I accentuate it, and I actually use my chocolate colored lip liner to do that. So don't laugh. Gotta draw on my beauty mark. Oh my Okay, so for the top lip, I do overline because like I said, I like to give the appearance of a more like fuller looking lip. So I do overline. I try not to go crazy, but you know, sometimes I'm extra. Is that color not like gorgeous? Come on now. Yeah. So as you can tell, I like overline slightly, but I'm trying not to go like too crazy here. And I try to not make like the bow here. I try not to make it like too pointy or anything. I like to keep everything like rounded. Okay, so there's the top lip. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lip. Sorry y'all, I can't talk when I'm doing this, otherwise I'm gonna have some zigzag lips. Okay, so there's the bottom. I know, it's a solid line there. So then what I like to do, I will feather it in a little bit. And then I darken it back here in the corners. I used to never think that I could wear a nude colored lip because it just washed me out and it just looked like my lips blended in with my face because I have no lips. Okay, really small lips, but just saying, like I used to think nude was just not a color for me, but since doing it and like ombreing it with a darker lip liner, like I found that I really liked a nude colored lip. So, looks dark, right? Then, I take my handy dandy skin colored matte liquid lipstick. And so this is what the applicator looks like. But see all that product on there? You definitely don't want to have all that product. I usually wipe it off so that it's just a little bit on there, okay? Because less is more with this stuff, trust me. And then I will just like work my lips back and forth. I know it looks really funny, you guys. Sorry, I keep looking over like this way because my screen is over that way and you guys are here. You're here. So now I'm going to grab concealer. Yes, I said concealer. 1 second. Okay, so this is the full coverage liquid concealer. Okay, this is the color Light Ivory, and yes, I use it underneath my eyes, like all that stuff, all that good stuff, but I also use it in the very, very middle of my lips, right here. Just because I like to be a little extra and have the middle of my lips be like really, really light. And then I take the lip plumper. Okay, so you can do like, we have like the nude lip glosses and stuff like that, but if I want a true like just really glossy like poppin' looking like nude lip, I will use the lip plumper, okay? It does kind of have more of like a minty smell to it. It tingles a little bit, but not a ton. You can use it as an actual lip plumper and put it on your lips before you put your lip color on and then just dab it off after like 5 or 10 minutes. Before you put your lip color on, and then it will act as like just an actual lip plumper, but I like to use it as kind of like a plumping gloss over my lips. So yeah, so then here's the applicator of that. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. There's just a little bit on there. And I feel like the gloss just kind of helps like blend everything together, but that's kind of how like I like to do my nude lip colors. So that is like my nude colored lip that I like to do. And again, it just kind of gives a fuller appearance to the lips. Again, I'm extra, okay? You don't have to overline your lips. You don't gotta like add the gloss. You don't gotta add the concealer. You can just do the skin color with the chocolate colored lip liner here, and that's a really good way to be able to still rock a nude lip and not feel like your lips are like blended in with your face, okay? So hopefully this was informational. My eyes are still watering, you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and drop some comments below. Let me know if this was helpful. If you have tips or tricks for like a nude lip, anything like that, because I'm always open to learning. I'm not the end all be all, so give me your tips. Alright, you guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys all next time.